I just felt a vibration through the leash.
Nice sniffs, you guys. Nice. Miguel and Piglet bark.
Piglet bark.
Oh, you guys are just playing, huh? I think Piglet would have been perfect for her.